Hello, my name is Surya Chakraborty. Me and my friends were assigned to make a art integrated project on the history of Ladakh and monastery of Ladakh. Now, me and my group members have created the project. So, let us begin with it. At first, we have made a PPT upon this, and then we have made a Sudes file. So, at first, I would like to show you our PPT. After then, I would show the Sudes file. These are the group members who helped me while doing this project. My name is Surya Chakraborty, Surya Karmakar, Swastik Bhattacharya, and Yakshi Bhavani. We four had done this project. Now let us begin with our project. History of Ladakh, Monastery and Ladakh. Now this is the topic name and this is the index where we are going to cover these points in this presentation. Acknowledgement. What to say? I am very thankful that we all have created this project and we all are assigned to do this project and we got to know many things about this. Keeping an interest about mountains, we were grateful to our social science teacher who gave us this golden opportunity to do this project. Many things we have learned, and we also had learned to how to do teamwork, and we also enhanced our coordination skills. Introduction. Ladakh is a region administered as a union territory and constituting a part of larger Kashmir region, and we know that Ladakh has been a subject of desire between three countries, India, Pakistan and China. Since 1947, it is bordered by Tibet Autonomous Region in the east, the Indian states of Himachal Pradesh to the south, both the Indian administrated union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan administrated Gilgit-Baltistan to the west and southeast corner of Xinjiang across the Karakoram Pass is the far north. So here the geographical location and some history are given here. Now let us proceed with the next point. The location of Ladakh. As I have told that it is situated in the northern part of India. So it is in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, sharing its east border with Tibet. Ladakh has Leh Spiti to its south and Kashmir Valley to the west. History of Ladakh. Ancient inhabitants of Ladakh were Dards, an Indo-Aryan race, immigrants of Tibet, Skardu, and nearby parts like Purang. Jews settled in Ladakh, whose racial characters and cultures were in consonance with early settlers. Buddhism traveled from central India to Tibet via Ladakh, leaving its imprint in Ladakh. History of Ladakh Monastery. Now, monastery is a place where Buddhism is worshipped, such as Temple of Hindu, Masjid of Muslims, and Church of Christians. There is also other worship places of other religions. Like that only, monastery is a place of worship of the Buddhist people. A large amount of Buddhist culture is followed in Ladakh because most of the people used to follow the Tibetan culture. So the monastery was founded in 1630 by first incarnation of Staksang Raspa Nawang Gatso. When he was invited by the king of Ladakh, Singhji Namgali offered the religious estates. Beautiful statues and mural paintings adorn the monastery halls. Buddhism in Ladakh and West Bengal. The one thing similar about Ladakh and West Bengal is the follow of Buddhism. We can see that in Ladakh, most of the people used to follow Buddhism, and in West Bengal, there are some people who used to follow Buddhism, but not not much less. Buddhism is followed mainly in Darjeeling region in West Bengal, which is in northern side of West Bengal, near Sikkim, and Buddhists make about 0.7% of India's population, or 8.4 million individuals according to the 2011 census. Comparison of Ladakh and West Bengal. Ladakh art and handicrafts. There is a wide variety of handicrafts available in Ladakh, ranging from Pashmina shawls to Tibetan style rugs and silver jewelry to tankhas, emphasizing the importance of Ladakh as an important center of trade on Great Silk Route. Ladakh is emphasizing the importance of and center of trade on Great Silk Route. A comparison of Ladakh and West Bengal, then Ladakh art and handicrafts, then art and culture of West Bengal. West Bengal has a rich culture and classical and folk songs. The Visnupur Gharana is the soul of classical Gharana of West Bengal. It is originated in Visnupur, Bankura by court musicians of Mala kings. The Bauls are the mystic groups of singers and musicals. In West Bengal, jute is also made. This is a large producer of jute, West Bengal. And thanks for watching this project. I hope you liked my. Now I would like to show the Sules file what we have created. So this is our Sules file, and here we have detailedly we have done the things, we have divided the works within us, and here is the index where what we have seen in this project is here. And I want to show you that here the Indian map the Ladakh is marked, and then here comes the brief description of location of Ladakh. History of Ladakh. Now here is the picture of monastery which one of my friend Surya Karmakar has drawn this. Here it is a monastery, and this is our history of Ladakh monastery. Here we have given everything in detail, so I have explained that before. So thanks for watching this project. Ladakh has potential as to act as a vessel to feed India its required enough resources. For this peace, Ladakh is a contribution. For peace, equal unbased development is mandatory. Here actually Ladakh is not much developed than other states. It needs to be much developed. It has potential, but we can't find it until we are not too much educated about. So there should be development in Ladakh. Thanks for watching this project. I hope you liked my description.